Here's the Nova I've been talking about. It's new fenders, new core support. Sanded the frame down, painted it, dirty now. This is motor I had in the Chevelle motor and transmission. I went ahead and put it in this. It's probably not going to stay. Sand it down to bare metal. It's original inline 6 car. Only 50,000 original miles on it. The old lady that owned it, she says it would get her where she needed to go, but would never get her home. So it ended up being parked for many years. And when I bought it, it was on a rotisserie. And I had to put it all back together, but I went ahead and did the bottom first. New fender wells. All original interior. I pulled the cowl panel and stuff off because the windshield has got a little rust right there. I want to go ahead and get that fixed. I got a 454 for it. It's over there somewhere. I just got to go through it. It's smoked. It's got brand new heads on it, but it's either got a cracked ring or a cracked block because they couldn't ever get it to stop smoking. These wheels and tires are just on it for rollers right now. Drum brake car. I unfortunately am going to keep the drum brakes for a little while. Vinyl floor. Floors were in great shape. I had the interior all cleaned out, left it dusty, but moved it around. I got it on the lift now, or for the lift, so I can start getting exhaust done underneath, just fitting it up. Not correct, but close as I can. It's a new tail panel. I didn't put it on, but see, trunk 4 isn't bad. What you can see of it. Back window's good. New gas tank. New fuel lines. Still got the original brake lines on it. Just got a little rust right there. But this isn't something right there. I didn't do them patches, but they're there. A little bit more right there. And the worst of it is right here in the roof. And easy stuff, just not something I was looking forward to doing. See, I left it outside when it rained. Now I gotta finish sending it all back down to bare metal again. And go ahead and shoot some epoxy sealer on it. I put new subframe bushings in it, but they are not the right ones. 73 apparently is different. So the rear subframe bushings back here are they're a little thicker. They're about ½ inch thicker than your factory ones. I have a set back here of factory and then the replacements. I just got to figure out where I got them. Classic Industries is the only place I found to have the correct ones. And if you look, you can see how thick they are compared to a normal Camaro or Firebird. So I've got to swap those back out, and that'll be good. I got all new brake lines for it, or rubber brake lines, new headlights. So this one should be a pretty quick project. Just to get on the road, I want to make Ocean City's cruise in October with it. I've got rally wheels for it, no tires yet. I got the 454. I'm hoping to have done. I'm hoping it's nothing major to that motor, and I get it slapped together. If not, this is just a junkyard motor. It's been bored 80 over by who knows, and it still has a big scar in one cylinder. One of the lifters on number 1 cylinder, I think it's number 1 intake, is hammered right down, wore out. I couldn't get it out, so that's the only original lifter to it. It's just a complete junkyard motor, but it runs like a top. Other than that, I'll keep you updated.